Managing swim meets or track events with HY-TEK Lite and need to work with HYL database files? These contain athlete records and meet results. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through accessing and managing these HY-TEK Lite database files for sports event management. Consider this the ace up my sleeve. There is a powerful technical workaround that I reserve for the toughest HYL cases. We'll cover the easier fixes first. A HYL file is a database created by HY-TEK's Meet Manager Lite software, used for organizing smaller swimming or track and field competitions. Users interact with this file to manage event entries, rosters, and results for athletic meets that don't require the full featured version. This is likely a proprietary binary database format, structured for rapid data retrieval, and updates specific to sports meet management. The Lite version's format is designed to be a self-contained, portable database, omitting features from the full version to reduce complexity and file size. The primary software for HYL is recognized as Meet Manager Lite, developed by HY-TEK Sports Software. This file type demands a dedicated niche application for proper interpretation and manipulation. Windows shows minimal attributes, so actual content must be processed by a database application. The solution starts with the application list. Right-click the HYL file and choose Open With. Use Meet Manager Lite as your first choice. If it fails, select another program. A systematic check is the most reliable method. If the HYL file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. Since the initial attempt failed, the issue is now narrowed to 3 key areas. Here is a simple list of the most frequent errors and how you can verify each one immediately. First, opening in HY-TEK software. Launch HY-TEK Lite Meet Manager, Team Manager, or other compatible HY-TEK applications. Use File then Open to load the HYL database file. The software provides comprehensive sports management features, including athlete entry seating, meet operations, and results reporting through a specialized interface. Next, importing meet results. Use HY-TEK software's import functions to merge HYL database content into existing team or league databases. The import wizard validates athlete information, event configurations, and results data, ensuring imported records integrate properly with existing competitive history and rankings databases. Finally, backing up databases. Always create regular backups of HYL files using HY-TEK's built-in backup utility or external backup tools. Sports event databases contain critical historical records and competition results, making backup discipline essential. Store backups in multiple locations, ensuring meet history preservation across the organization. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.